Hi, I'm Nelson Drago with Charter Tea Room in Los Angeles on behalf of Expert Village. In this clip, we're going to be talking about black teas. What are black teas? Black teas are fully fermented teas. They undergo 4 different processes: withering, rolling, fermentation, and drying or firing. One of the mainly common black teas that we carry is from Assam, a classic Assam with a richness in it, with gold tips. It makes it special because it's one of the finest qualities of the Assams. It's very strong. So if strength is your weakness, then Assam is a cup of your tea. Assam, being the largest region, produces about 900 million pounds of tea and also is a home of about wild elephants, leopards, rhinos. So besides this, it does produces about 900 million pounds of tea every year. It makes it the single largest region in India which produces that amount of tea.